Hey friends, if you're restoring your old cabinetry, maybe you're like us, you like saving money, and instead of buying all new cabinets, you wanted to restore and refinish your old ones. Well, one of the tips that I will highly suggest in saving money is to purchase handles like this from Amazon. So much cheaper than going to places like Home Depot or Lowe's or things like that. So in today's video, we're gonna take a closer look at these Reventi handles that you can buy on Amazon in multiple sizes. We're gonna show you a closer look at what they come with, and again, a quick review.
Now there are all sorts of different handle lengths as well as packets, the number that come in the packets you can choose from. Now these are what the 5.5 look like with a 3-inch spacer between the studs that go into the cabinet. And then we also have this one, and this is a 12.25 version. And I think it has basically a 10-inch span between where it goes in. So you can see what they look like. Again, it's that stainless steel, really lightweight, but they look really decent. They don't look super cheap or anything like that. You also get all your hardware, and then as you can see, each of the handles are individually wrapped.
And here's how everything looks after it's been installed. You can see these are the shorter versions. Again, lots of sizes to choose from. They look and feel really good. These are the longer versions right here. I think this is like the 12.5 version. You can see you can also turn them horizontally for your drawers, and that really looks sharp as well. Again, they look really great on our new cabinets. So definitely a thumbs up. I really, really dig these things. You can find them right here on Amazon. In fact, we'll put links in the description box below. If this video has helped, stay tuned. We're making a ton more of these little home DIY tutorial videos, show you products, show you different things we've done to our house to help in your own projects. Stay tuned. We'll see you again on the next one.